How to fix Facebook intermobile number problem on your Facebook account. Today, guys, I have the solution how to fix this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open the settings of your phone, and now you will go directly to apps or applications of your phone. Then you will search for Facebook. When you found it, just open it and scroll down to storage and open it also, and go to clear data like this and click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.